In this video, we will see how we can start working with JavaScript and apply the statement function and start executing the function, declaring the statement, declaring the comments, lot many things that we can do on JavaScript. So let us start and see what we can do. First of all, we should know JavaScript programs. Like computer program is a list of instructions to be executed. In a programming language, these programming instructions are called statement. So as the JavaScript program is a list of programming statements that composed of the values, operator, expressions, comment, keywords. In our previous video, we have used document.getElementById .inner HTML equals to some text. This is nothing but a statement. Using the colon, semicolon at the end will make a separate executable statement, like where a comma b is a statement, a equals to 40, a b equals to 30 is a separate statement. Syntax define the rules on how the programs are implemented, like we are declaring variables, assigning the values, and computing the values. There are two types of values. First one is called literal, that is fixed values, like Sam, Harry, 10.2, 3000, 5000, any value. And variable value called variable, like where x equals to 8, we are assigning some value. Operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide, and assignment operators equals to we can use in our JavaScript. Expression like where x equal to 5, where y equals to x into 7, x into 7 is a expression. This complete line is a complete expression, same as we can apply on a string, first name, last name, and concatenating them by adding. This is nothing but a JavaScript expression. Keywords are used to identify action to be performed, like the where keyword tell the browser to create a variable. In below we have created the variable where first name, last name, full name. This is going to tell the browser the variables are need to be created. How we can use the comment? Commented codes are the code that will not be executed. These are the statements that are found in all programming language. In JavaScript, we can define the comment either in double slash or in between slash, asterisk, and asterisk slash. The commented with the help of double slash is used to create a single line comment, and slash star is used to create a multi-line comment. Like in below example, you can see where first name equals to Harry, we have commented declare first name, where last name equal to Potter, commented declare last name, and here we have defined 3 lines of statement that are commented. Below is the expression that will create a full name by concatenating the first name and last name. So in this way you can define the comment in JavaScript. So before 2015, using the where keyword was the only way to create and declare a JavaScript variable. And after 2015 version of JS, ECMAScript 6, ECMAScript 15 allow the use of const keyword to define a variable that cannot be reassigned, and let keyword to define a variable with the restricted scope. JavaScript types are dynamic. That means same variable can be used to hold different data types. Like where value equals to 500, then we have defined Sam, so it is dynamic. function is a block of code assigned to perform some particular task that need to be invoked in order to execute the statement of that function. We can define the function and invoke the function. We can invoke the function either by clicking of mouse, or we can assign some event on mouse up, on key up, on key down. There are so many events that are available, and we can directly use the function name that will execute that particular block of code, and automatically we can set to be execute that particular function. Thank you so much. In this video we will see how we can start working with JavaScript.